We thank God for this beautiful feast in honor of Mary Magdalene. Alam naman natin, si Maria Magdalena, taga Magdala, kaya tawag siya Mary Magdalene. No? We know the story of how she was apostle to the apostles, a title given her. It was first used by Saint Thomas Aquinas, itong titulo na binigay sa kanya, apostol para sa mga apostol. No? Imagine, no? The 12 apostles. Pero sa kanya binigay the privilege, the gift to be the first witness of the resurrection. Siya ang una dahil siya yung nagpupursiging maghanap. No? At dahil doon siya yung binayayaan na kung saan nagpakita si Jesus una. So it was first to her. What a privilege. It was also because she was also at the foot of the cross. Imagine, no? She was privileged to stay at the foot of the cross at the death of Jesus. Siya yung tamiyo doon kasama niyang ang mahal niya, Birheng Maria, no? So that is why she was given that title. We all know the beautiful story of Mary Magdalene, how she was a sinner, no? A big-time sinner. As a matter of fact, she had 7 demons to show what life she had before that. And because of that, nung nagbalik loob siya, she became a follower of Jesus. Because of that, she was very faithful till the end. No? She truly loved Jesus at maganda yung ugnayan nila. At dahil sa ugnayan na ito, until the end, until very, very faithful till the end, she was given that privilege. No? What a gift, what a privilege na binigay sa kanya. So we thank God for that, no? A sinner turning around and being a faithful follower of Jesus. A call for all of us. Lahat naman tayo makasalanan. Sino ba ditong walang kasalanan? Pero dahil sa pagbabalik loob, dahil sa pagmamahal na yan, ito yung nagbunsod sa kanya para maging isa sa pinakamatapat na tagasunod ni Jesus. At binayaan nga siya maging unang saksi ng muling pagkabuhay. Napakaganda, napakahalaga na hanapin natin si Jesus hindi sa patay, kundi sa buhay. Siya ay buhay. Sana yung buhay na yan magpalakas sa atin sa isang Diyos na buhay, a living God. The same way, our relationship with God is truly alive. He is not a past tense God. He is God who is truly alive, very present to us today, to give us the courage, to inspire us, to help us, because truly He is alive. Buhayin natin si Jesus, katulad ng ginawa ni Maria Magdalena, para ipalaganap na si Jesus ay buhay. Let us be witnesses too that Christ is alive, truly alive, no? Not just by words, but by action. We thank Mary Magdalene. We thank God for this reminder today to proclaim Jesus is truly alive. Alleluia, alleluia.